to Conversations at the SmokeHize. Today we have a very special guest. Who am I here with?
My name is Mason.
Why you acting shy, man?
I don't know.
How old are you? Tell them how old you are.
9.
9. What do you like to do for fun?
I don't know.
You don't know. You was just watching The Flash before we started. You don't like watching TV?
I do.
You like watching TV, playing Roblox.
Yeah.
You like playing football.
Mhm.
You like playing with your brother.
Yeah.
He said he was too tired to come and play with us today. So, hey, just me and my boy Mason. You are also, what are you? What's your sign?
Aquarius.
Me too. When's your birthday?
January 20th.
Mine's February 17th. So, me and my Aquarius friend Mason, what we about to cook today?
Steak and potatoes.
And asparagus. So, I'm going to tell you how to grill. You ready? Alright, let's do it. Show them what we'll be cooking today, Mason.
So we're going to be making steak, and everybody's not born right now, so we're just going to get the sheep. And then we have roasted potatoes,
Yep. Gotta get to 'em. Boom.
and then we have
Asparagus.
asparagus.
Alright. So, these are pre-washed from HEB, but we are going to wash them again. Make sure you wash them again. We are going to poke holes in our potatoes. You know why we do that? Gotta let them breathe a little bit. So, when we do wrap them and put them in the oven, they come out. You know, you like mashed potatoes? How you like? You don't like hard potatoes though, right? See, you like it to be mashed. So, we're gonna poke holes in them. Just like that.
Oh, I thought she was going to use this one.
No. Yeah, you use your own. So you're gonna poke your own. Left-handed.
Mhm.
Okay, very special. Now that we have all of that poked up, we're gonna take some foil. 8 pieces of foil. Just because we have 8 potatoes, right? So we're gonna take the pieces of foil. We're going to wrap it just like this. Gonna take the potato, fold it over. Make sure it's completely cooked. Sealed real tight. Got it? Yes. Show them the camera. Seal it. Like you're supposed to try. We're going to season our steaks. I like to use the Uncle Chris steak seasoning. Show that to me. This is what I like to use. You can really put this on anything. It's extremely good. We are also going to grill the steaks today. My boy said he's never grilled, so we're going to show Mason how to work the grill from yours truly, Mr. SmokeHize, baby. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to let you season up the steaks, and I'm going to step to the side, and I'm going to let you do your thing. We're going to ask you a few questions. You like that? So, a few questions. What's your favorite food in the whole wide world? You don't know. What? How you not know that? No, mine is Thanksgiving dressing. I have my mom prepare this for me my every birthday. Every birthday I gotta have some Thanksgiving dressing. So what's something you can eat a lot?
Tacos.
Tacos. So tacos just might be your favorite. Okay, here's another one. If you could eat one thing every day, what would it be?
Chipotle.
Chipotle. What'd you get from Chipotle? I've never been. What you get?
A bowl.
What's in the bowl?
Food.
So now we are going to take our asparagus. Earlier you thought this was one, as in asparagus, but that's the total. He was like, "Wait, this is the whole thing?" But asparagus is this. It's not one. It's all of these. So now I'm gonna show you how to do that. You ready? Cut this part off. Right? Depends on how long. But you always want to cut the stem off. I don't like hard asparagus, but I like it to have a little bit of crunch. But I don't like it to be really soft. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do the first bunch, and I'm gonna let you do the second bunch. See how easy that was? So, you're gonna take your asparagus, you're gonna lay your foil down, take your asparagus and put it on your foil. There you go. Now, same way we did with the potatoes, we're gonna do with that. Your charcoal.
All of it?
All of it.
Keep going.
Your mom, what does she do for a living?
She does hair.
She does hair? So would you say she's like the best in the business?
Yes.
Yeah, confidently.
Yes.
Want to shout her out?
Yes. If you're a lady and you're watching this, you should go to my mom's shop, Balance Beauty. Just search it up. It's on Instagram.
Yep. Boundless Beauty, and we will post it on the video so everybody can see. Tell them what we're ready. We're going to use hickory and oak chips, right? So you're going to take a little oak chips, handful, and sprinkle them around. Yeah, I like to do my steak sometime over the open flame to get a good sear. So what we're going to do while it's flaming like that, I'm going to place them down. Place those down.
All of them?
Yeah, place you one down.
Okay.
Up close look on your steaks. That looks phenomenal, Mason. Good job, man.
Thank you.
So now we have taken out the baked potatoes, right? So what we're gonna do, it's gonna be a twice baked potato. See how it's steaming? Taking them out because I know y'all can't see it on the camera. Now we're gonna take our knife and we're going to split it down the middle like such, right? Oh, hold it like that. Take a spoon out and look, now we get to the fun part. You get to smash up some stuff. Potato smasher. So you're gonna take this. Gotta move everything out the way. Take this, and smash it down. Make sure you get all of the lumps out. Now you wanna take your butter, add your butter.
All of it?
Yep. Yeah. Now you try. Fresh one. What's your favorite part about science?
The experiments.
Experiments.
Because every time, if I'm going to do science, we're going to do an experiment.
What kind of experiments do you do?
My lab, the experiments I did this week, because I don't do science every day. But I did one this week, and it was about height and ramps and stuff in cars.
When we did that, we're going to take our potatoes and place them back into the oven. Who's the best cook in your family?
That's kind of hard because it's two people.
Who?
My mom and my grand-grand.
And your grand. So it's a toss up. So who you think? Your mom gonna watch this, so you might want to say your mom.
Yeah, my mom.
Okay, so she's the best cook then. Okay, we gonna go with that. That concludes our meal, but not the conversation. So, how excited you are to eat?
Very.
It look good, don't it?
Yeah.
Look, man, you made this. You prepared it. How you feel about it?
Good.
Good. So tell them again what we have.
We have steak, potatoes, and
Asparagus.
asparagus.
Jason say he is done talking. He is ready to eat. So that will conclude the conversations at the SmokeHize, where real people have real conversations and make real connections. Once again, tell them who you are. See, he can't even talk, man. High five to my boy Mason. It's my nephew. Love him dearly. We appreciate y'all.